We're entering a phase of dentistry where marketing and management are merging together to become the way to achieve an elite level of results. Now, the dentists who learn how to do this will excel. Everyone else will be left behind wondering what just happened. When marketing and management merge together, it means they become linked together in a self-correcting system that puts results on a consistent upward climb. Now, this system allows us at SmartBox to see the coming COVID aftershock that is going to send patient numbers sharply downwards for months in advance. It gives us plenty of time to sound the alarm and help our doctors create strategy plans to manage what's coming. Now, sometimes it literally transforms data into dollars, like the case of SmartBox client Dr. J. Marshall. Now, that's not her real name. We've changed it to protect her privacy, but the results are very real. After merging the marketing and management in her practice, we quickly discovered a mistake that was being made by her team that was creating a money leak of about $21,000 of potential collections every week. That's over $1 million a year. The systems found the issue and got it fixed. And that's just one example of turning the data into dollars. The only question really is, when is the right time to start doing this in your practice? If you wait until the COVID aftershock is upon us, it's going to be too late. The future of dentistry is a practice that is so well designed, the doctor can spend his or her days only doing the things that they want to do. Now, if that's not your reality right now, then today is the day to start challenging that. Give our team a call and get on the schedule so we can take a close look at what's going on inside your practice.